how to add tags on your transaction on Spender app. Are you guys facing issue to add tags on your Spender app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add tags on Spender application, first of all, open Spender app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your hosted email and password. As soon as you're logged in, now just simply head over to the transaction that you want to add tags on. If you want to add tags on your salary, just simply tap on salary. Here you'll be able to see this option for a hashtag over here. Now remove this hashtag and write down the one according to your preference. Income or hashtag chicken. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add hashtags on Spender app. Now just simply click on edit income. After you click on edit income, your tags will be successfully added. So as you guys can see over here, income, hashtag chicken. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.